Have you ever wondered how educators combine structure and creativity in teaching? Today, we'll explore two powerful learning models: direct instruction and simulation. These methods enhance knowledge transmission while integrating real-world complexity. Let's break them down step by step. Direct instruction, or DI, is a teacher-led approach. It focuses on clear goals, structured content, and ongoing assessment. By using explicit teaching, teachers convey knowledge efficiently. When implemented effectively, DI is interactive and responsive. It builds learners' confidence through guided practice. The DI process starts with specific learning objectives. Teachers present these goals clearly to students. They model the steps, showing exactly how to complete tasks. This method helps students understand not just the what, but also the why behind their learning. Next comes guided practice. In this phase, learners apply new skills while receiving immediate feedback. This feedback addresses misconceptions quickly, ensuring correct execution. Following this, independent practice further solidifies the learning. Frequent checks helps monitor progress and adjust teaching methods. Now, let's shift gears to simulation learning. This method replicates real-life scenarios for experiential learning. Simulations can range from simple role-play to complex virtual environments. The core idea is to situate learning in authentic contexts. Simulations build on what was learned in DI. They require learners to apply their skills in dynamic situations. This kind of learning encourages critical thinking and decision-making. Importantly, learners can practice high-stakes procedures safely through simulations. For example, imagine a nursing program. Direct instruction covers essential diagnostic skills. Then, a low-fidelity simulation allows students to practice teamwork in a clinical setting. Finally, a high-fidelity simulation engages them in crisis management. These combined approaches have distinct benefits. Direct instruction is great for efficient skill acquisition. Simulations enrich learning by contextualizing skills in real-world scenarios. When used together, they provide a comprehensive educational experience. Yet, both methods have limitations. Over-relying on direct instruction might stifle creativity. On the other hand, high-fidelity simulations can be resource-intensive. Teachers must balance both approaches effectively. Combining direct instruction and simulation creates a powerful pedagogical synthesis. Start with DI to teach core concepts, then integrate simulations for practice. This creates a path from simple understanding to complex application. Each phase includes assessment strategies tailored to the method. In DI, assessments are frequent to ensure mastery. In simulations, performance-based evaluations offer deeper insights into competence. In summary, direct instruction and simulation are complementary. They address different learning needs while enhancing educational experiences. Educators can cultivate adaptability and competence through these integrated approaches. Ready to revolutionize your classroom? Research these methods further and consider how to implement them. Think about your learning objectives, and design lessons that integrate both DI and simulation. With these strategies, you can create engaging and effective learning environments. Start today.